This is a nice Murano glass elephant. A larger one will give you a hand proportion. It's got some beautiful colors to this one. Again, I'm sorry to see this one go. These are all part of my collection. But like I have no room left, so get more and more pieces, bigger pieces. Look at the detail there in it. See if I can zoom in a little bit more. I'm sort of missing the beauty of this piece. Show you the legs here. An aqua blue finish to them. Hope I captured the beauty of this piece because it sure is nice. Thank you for your